Hi, so how you can make from 100 all the way up to $300 or more per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, why I'm talking about passive income, or let's call it residual recurring income, it's because if you look at affiliate marketing, what you're doing is you're not selling anything. You're just promoting, marketing, right? Other people's high quality products. Again, high quality products, right? And I'm going to tell you why. So remember, high quality products for huge commissions. Okay, all nice and great. But now how you can do this? Because I'm sure you are watching this video right now, you're thinking, okay, Tim, I watched so many different YouTube videos. I bought so many freaking expensive ClickBank courses from different gurus online promising me everything. I understand, because I used to be there as well. And I know lots of people who have been struggling to make money online, right? But I want to be transparent and upfront here with you to tell you what it takes to get to $300 per day. The first thing is choose a proven, sellable, marketable product. Why? Because you don't want to waste money and your precious time on something that doesn't work, that doesn't produce sales and results. Okay, so first you have a product which is paying at least $50. Now let me give you a secret why most of these ClickBank millionaires or course owners that you're buying courses from are not sharing one secret, which is email marketing, email list, right? The big bucks are in the long run in the list, right? So you can see what they're doing. They're selling you a course from email, but in that email they're telling you that you don't need to have any email list or even a website to make money online. Now you see the big difference here? Are you still here with me? Do you see? They're doing one thing but telling you something totally opposite. So that's why I'm telling you what is the real secret. The real secret is this. Let me tell you. If you want to map stress-free life, stress-free lifestyle, like you can see from my Instagram, my photos, I travel to Bali, Australia, Thailand, Japan, Europe, France, right? Switzerland, all these countries because of affiliate marketing, because I understood one thing. Listen to me please closely. The number one thing, if you want to make thousands of dollars per day or even more per week, right? Or $300 per day as a beginner, right? Which is not bad, is you need to have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way, one-on-one, right? Build true friendship and relationship with that person, right? And then it makes a lot of sense to follow the path that they laid out for you, right? So if I were to get started again, I would definitely work with someone one-on-one personally, right? Because it makes a lot of sense, doesn't it, right? Doesn't it make a lot of sense? Because if you want to not make any money, if you hate money, if you hate making extra commissions and having fun in the same time, then you will never buy a coaching, you will never buy a mentorship, you will be cheap on a mentor or cheap on the ads, right? And that will not get you anywhere, right? Because if you knew all the answers, you would already be rich or have at least $300 a day with ClickBank or any other affiliate network out there, right? But you don't, and that's okay, right? The most important thing is to pull the trigger, take the first step and take action. Get a little bit out of your comfort zone, because I used to be as well there in the past, but now I'm somewhere else because I understood the concept that lots of people are not willing to take action, too afraid of the risk and comfort zone, right? So I'd rather stay working 9 to 5 and not take any action, right? So that's why the kids, family members suffering, because they don't understand that if they just took action and have a little bit of faith and belief in themselves, they could do it really well. The second thing is traffic source. I use Google Ads because I'm looking for buyers. So what I do is this, listen closely. I set up Google Ads with different targeted keywords, and then I have a landing page. Now remember, lots of people on ClickBank on YouTube will not share this with you for free, right? Even you buy $3,000 course from some guys on ClickBank, they are never sharing this secret, which is what? Once you have a landing page and a product here, landing page here, an ad, your pre-sale content must include 5 pre-selling points for you to make a sale, to make up to 90% conversions on the front end. And then what I do is, once I get a sale or I don't get a sale, doesn't matter, I will choose front end sale, and then email marketing. So I will give them free cookie, free ebook, free checklist to opt into my email list, and then I can sell them over and over again through email follow-up autoresponder. So you see, this is where the money is. If I have 10,000 or 20,000 people email list in a health or keto diet, financial needs, whatever, right, or fitness niche, I can go to sleep, and then I don't have to be stressed about what if Google shut me down tomorrow, what if I lose my YouTube ad account, what if my Instagram goes bust, if I lose everything, every social media. I don't care. Why? Because over the years, over the months, I built my email list. So I make daily over $500 with only one email, $500 to $3,000 in a day. Affiliate commissions, of course, promoting different products. So now you understand why email is very important on the back end, on the long run, right? So if you're still watching this video, you're gonna have these crazy results, traveling around the world, or at least, I don't know, have more time with your family, for yourself, for your spirituality, personal growth, personal development, then let me know. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? You can like this video, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, whatever you want, and you can reach out to me. But remember one thing, okay? Before you finish this video or reach out to me, you need to have minimum 1,000 to at least better 5,000 US dollars to invest in to get some serious results. If you are not committed, if you are not serious, please do not reach out to me. So I hate you wasting my time, and I hate wasting your time either, right? So be sure that you really want to succeed, that you really want to have this kind of lifestyle. Because ask yourself, if you are not making $10,000 per month yet with affiliate marketing, what is this costing you? If you're working in a job and getting 3,000 or 4,000, I don't know, $5,000 per month salary, working 9 to 5, how much is that costing the difference? Each month, $5,000 or $8,000 or $10,000 that you're not getting. It's over $100,000 or euros per year that you're missing out on because you're scared to put $5,000 in investment or $3,000 in investment into yourself to get the results that you know that you should be getting, right? So again, thank you for watching. If you want to get results, all the links where you can reach out to me are below this video. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.